Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intan Nawang Wulan. I will explain what a baby incubator is and how to assemble a baby incubator. Incubator is one of the electromedical equipment used to provide protection to newborns who are premature or have a low birth weight, providing a stable temperature and humidity and oxygen requirement according to maternal condition, preventing the occurrence of respiratory to ill newborn or premature babies who weigh less than 2.5 kg. Two types of baby care system in the incubator room. One, open incubator system. Incubator that requires the opening of the room if it will do baby care. Care is not done automatically from the incubator's room. This equipment is usually used for babies born prematurely with normal care needs. 2. Closed incubator system. Only opened in an emergency for respiratory purposes. Care for premature babies in the incubator room through a special hole so that the nurse hand is available on the plane so that the baby hygiene can be better maintained. The step in making incubator design tools for monitoring the condition of premature babies based on microcontrollers consist of making incubator designs, making microcontroller minimum system PCB, and control box. 1. Making incubator design. Making incubator design using acrylic, plywood, and wood. The steps taken are to design incubator size, incubator design. 2. Manufacture of Mega System Microcontroller Printed Circuit Board or PCB. Making the minimum system is done in stage, starting from making design, printing design on paper and on PCB boards, resolving PCB, punching holes PCB, installing component and soldering component. And then 3. Relay. Hardware relay is required when the on or off switch turn on and off. The relay module is required for incubator incandescent lamps because incandescent light control turn on and turn off automatically. And 4. Making control boxes. Make a control toolbox as a place the microcontroller, relay, RTC, and battery. The control box design now above is used as a location for the LCD button, buzzer part, and push buttons. There are 7 buttons that function to input the microcontroller. The back as a place to connect the sensor and turn on or turn off. How to calibrate baby incubator tools. Before calibrating this tool, the electrical test is performed first, such as test the mesh voltage or PLN that is normal condition 220 volt tolerance of more or less 10%. 2. Earthing resistance test which is normally less than 0.2 ohm. 3. Isolation stress test which is normally more than 20 ohm. And then 4. Some lake current tests that have a normal value of less than 500 have a normal value of less than 100. After that, the electrical test is then calibrate baby incubator using a tool called an incubator analyzer. 1. Rendezvous of temperature data. Data collection is used to measure the incubator space. This is important because if the base is too hot, it can blister the baby's skin. 2. Measurement of airflow. Measurement of airflow is done because in the incubator room there must be air circulation. 3. Measurement of noise level in the incubator room. If the value exceeds the threshold, it is feared that it will damage the baby hearing system and that of course makes the baby uncomfortable. And this the advantage and disadvantage of baby incubator equipment. Advantage: 1. Maintain the baby body temperature. 2. Providing oxygen. 3. Monitoring the baby's condition for treating jaundice. And disadvantage: there is no automatic temperature controller, so nurses must be constantly monitored so that the temperature inside the device is neither too hot nor too cold. The following is a flowchart from a baby incubator. First step is to start making an incubator, and then the second step is to choose between automatic or manual triggers to create an incubator, and the third, also choose to send message through a computer or cell phone for incubator care. After that, if there is a newborn in the incubator, then the alarm will sound, and if not, the manufacture process continues with the temperature loop calibration and humidity calibration process for the baby later when it is in the incubator. Then if the incubator is ready, then there is an egg step to test the incubator condition. If the test results are not, then it will fix the incubator hardware. Then if the test results are good, then the incubator manufacturing step has been complete. The following is a diagram block from a baby incubator. Setting the temperature of the application as needed between 32 until 36 Celsius. The output from the temperature setting and the output from the LM35 temperature sensor will be compared by the comparator. If the temperature setting is greater than the temperature sensor, auto-triac will work. When it reaches the setting temperature, then the LM35 will disconnect the power supply to the element heater. The ADC will convert the output data on the LM35 temperature sensor from analog data into digital data and then display it on the 7-segment display. The more heat the element is produced, the temperature display in 7-segment will be higher because LM35 is affected by the heat. Thermostat serves as safety in the event of a failure. Temperature sensor and comparator circuit of exit temperature which is 38 Celsius. This thermostat will employ a relay driver, so the buzzer will sound. The alarm indicator light up as a sign that the temperature sensor exceeds the setting temperature and the element heater will also die. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.